Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today is a very interesting day. So one of the guys in my Z group has a very unique vehicle, and it is very unique. Just have to see it. I don't know if you actually want to see it because it really bothers your eye because it's a Slicktop. Like, who in their right mind would buy a Slicktop except Raymond? Ugh, I don't want to look at it. Burns my eyes. I can't see. Ray is a good friend of mine. I don't know what caused him to pull the trigger on the Slicktop, but he did it. I am not a big fan of these wheels. It's such a nice setup that he has, like awesome car. There are a lot of high quality stuff in his car, except the wheels, and he promised he's gonna fix it.
I wanted to go back to 18s, but since I did the alignment, they actually fit. The car runs really great now, so I might not ever go back to 18s. I like
So
them.
you have the big boy Akebonos
Akebonos
with the Z1 two-piece rotors.
That's right, sir.
And he just had a track day a week ago, 2 weeks ago. How did this stop?
I didn't have them on. I'm just joking. They were great. I had them on. The problem was I didn't have an alignment, so I couldn't let it out.
For all the North American viewers, this is a JDM only bumper. On the JDM bumper, you're gonna have the marker lights. North Americans, you won't. So for any Z guy out there who wants to modify or do something in their Z, look into Twin Z. Company out of Peru. They are hands down the best fit man out there for your money. Twin Z, everything. Twin Z, the world. No, just your Z.
Just, I didn't do the side filler.
I think, you know what?
He has those as well.
Yeah, the side skirts, but
Yeah.
I think the splitter complements it very well.
It does.
I would prefer the splitter over the side skirt myself.
Well, the side skirt comes with a splitter that works
Built.
with that specific side skirt. So
Okay.
it's a bigger splitter.
It's too big.
But you won't notice because of the side skirts. So it would look exactly like that. But the fillers are there to match the bumper and the rear quarter. I was okay with this because I wasn't going Twin Z all the way. But I love the way it looks.
And then same Akebonos in the back, the big boy rotors, Z1 two-piece. Now, let's move around, and this area gets very interesting very fast. Let's talk about the exhaust.
So the exhaust we have.
It passes the fist test, like
That's right. That's right.
double fisted.
And I know these to be 13 inches across.
Yeah.
So they're custom. You can't buy them anywhere. They're custom. So a lot of people have asked me where I got them. I bought them for her.
We'll talk about it on a different day. Because daylight is running out, we're gonna have to move fast in this car.
Yeah. And we have the rear diffuser.
Is it a Z1?
Z1 Twin Z as well.
So, okay. And then you have the JDM 99 spec lights.
Exactly.
Does the center light up?
No, the center doesn't light up. I didn't like that look. I thought it was too much. It was overkill.
Fair enough.
I like being subtle and people ask you, what is this?
Mm-hmm.
And then we have the Twin Z.
I love this. I really do. I love this look.
It just blends right in.
Yeah. And actually it makes the car look more of a 2010 or 2012
more modern
than a 91.
The subtle thing I did, which a lot of people don't do, is I painted this as well.
Black.
Yeah. Glossy.
So usually either you would have a third brake light,
right,
or a sticker, but you painted it.
Yeah.
Nice. Actually,
so it just
first time I'm noticing it.
Yeah, nobody.
Really?
Yeah, you can't figure out what it is, but. Yeah,
all right.
When you see the other Z's, it just chops and stops right at the light.
So your wheel.
Yeah.
What offset is it?
What?
because they're clearing the big boy brakes, right?
They are. They do have some spacers there.
They do?
Yeah, they do have some spacers in the and in the front. The front we needed 15 mil.
Okay.
In the front for it to clear. But I also wanted to fill out the fender.
Okay.
It didn't fill the fender out. It did clear it regardless, but it didn't fill the fender out. And so I hate when you've seen some Z's that you can't see the front wheel. So I don't like it like that. I
gotta fix that. So the other issue in my car is the camber.
Oh yeah.
Because the previous owner, he used to drag it in London.
Okay, so it's like straight up?
I have a almost 4-degree.
Like that?
Yeah. Terrible. It's too much. It's a little too much.
So good, yeah.
So there's nothing I can do with the spacer to bring it out. It will be out in the bottom, but in the top.
A lot of things people don't do when they do the alignment is they don't even check your caster. Caster was a problem for my car where I was throwing it off.
You have to check the caster.
Everybody's worried about this,
No.
the nuts, in the back of the front and back.
No.
So those guys the last time fixed it. Different car.
Okay.
Totally different car. And don't forget about my headlights.
Yes. Yes. First, clear JDM corners and xenon headlights. This is from a 99 spec. And this is.
You like that?
I love it. This is from the factory. It's a very rare option.
Yes.
But I can get you this emblem for $15.
I have one.
But from the factory, it's a very rare option.
It's 50, and whatever they're selling it for, you can get them in red or black.
Yeah.
But I like the red, and it goes well with the car.
So, what is that?
So this is red and black stitching. They're from England. Top Gators.
Okay.
So Top Gators, we got all the red. So we wrapped the dash,
The whole dash.
everything.
Wow.
Red and black stitching. I haven't done the seats yet.
But these are not original.
No, I wrapped those seats before I found Top Gators.
Okay. But they look pretty good. Whoever did this.
What I did,
What do you mean?
I bought the wrap, the outer wrap, and it's
Oh.
still the original sponge. So the next time I'm gonna change the sponge.
Okay.
So yeah, it's not that hard, but it's not that easy. You lose a bit of skin when you're wrapping those things.
Yeah.
Yeah, but so yeah, mid-Cyril, the guy with the tiny Japanese hands, pulled the dash out,
Wow.
wrapped it, with
Wow.
all these
This
JDM.
is a lot of work, man.
Yeah,
This is a lot of work.
they always lift the dash.
Yes. Yes, I have it lifted.
So we pulled it out. So we've done the dash pull 3 times. So
This car.
So the first time we used contact cement. So the last time when we were about to do the Top Gators wrap, our good friend Ramsey came with the rivet gun.
Oh.
So underneath here we got rivets holding it down.
That is hilarious.
Holding it down.
Oh my God.
And then we wrapped over the rivets.
Nobody see it.
Nobody sees it.
Oh, that is so funny.
Yeah, because she just asked me, and I go, are you ready for all of that work? Because this is what it looks like.
This is a little too much.
Yeah, but mine was just as bad.
Wow.
So you can rivet it down and then wrap it.
All right. So just because this is a JDM car, seatbelt is on the door, and this is a very rare car. What is the production on this?
2593.
2,593 ever made. So in the Z world, because they made 1 million of them, it's 2,495, blah blah blah. It's a good number.
And about 2,000 of them are destroyed because they use them to drift.
That. So there's not too many cars left.
No TTs in North America.
The Slicktop NA came to North America. The TT never came. It's only Japanese version. So it's a nice car. I really like the paint. The pearl in it is gorgeous. It's just a simple, gorgeous car. Very tastefully done. I still don't know why you bought a Slick car.
I don't like the sun. I get in the car, she has the top off, I'm done. I don't want it. I'm so upset.
That's why scientists invented sunscreen.
No. That's why they invented Africa.
All right.
Oh man. But thank you.
Thank you, Raymond. And we're gonna keep it short. Lights done. So hit the subscribe button. We're gonna hit the track and let's see what we have.